Where is CCG going next? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on CCG? Or Sheshe Group, right? I guess that's how I pronounce the name. We're sitting at $19.29. Now, in the next minute, I'm going to cover everything regarding technical analysis and price predictions. So make sure to keep watching till the end. This is a very short video. Let's get into the sauce. The strategy that I'm going to give you is just basically the technical analysis is me using my strategy regarding my philosophy because I made 12,500 videos like this, close to 13,000 videos, and in the last 3 years, and just in the last 8 months after refining this strategy for the last 3 years, has yielded me 400 plus wins. I have proof of everything, right? It's not like I'm just yapping. What's my opinion? For me to be any type of particular bullish, okay, it will have to kind of at least break above these highs. Until then, I'm just now observing this thing because I don't want to say that I'm bearish and there are no beautiful lows that I would actually just look at. So for me to be actually any type of bullish, it will have to continue to break above that high. Sitting at $90.22, that high is actually sitting at like 28. So that being said, for me, actually, this is the high that I'm actually would attack, but the 1 hour, yeah, that's the one. So for me to any type of make any type of prediction, I would have to continue and break above the highs there. Okay, so that's it. I'll actually just put a line right here, looking something like that. So for me to be bullish, you will have to break this high. Let me know what is your opinion and like the video if you found any value.